You search for how to buy shares of PTL Ltd, so this quick guide will show the process. PTL Ltd is a company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker PTLE, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy PTL Ltd, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as the example platform to show the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker PTLE to find the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ result to locate the correct PTL Limited stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart showing recent trading. Confirm the company name, exchange, and ticker to ensure this is the correct security. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next trading session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, the PTL Limited position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A helpful link is in the description if you want to follow the platform example.